24-25 financial year, there were 595 abandoned babies. In the whole of South Africa, there were 3,500 babies abandoned. And those are the babies we know of. We don't know of the babies that have died and haven't been rescued, or somebody else has picked them up and gone off with them. We don't know about those.
Each baby has a different story. The different kind of baby situations we get are babies which were maybe left in a bathroom, in a dustbin, in a field.
Moms that have abandoned their babies in hospital, or just abandon them on the roadsides or in dumps. They will abandon them at taxi ranks, in the toilets. So it's a big problem in South Africa. Our name is Starfish Babies. It comes from the story of the little boy on the beach. There are many starfish on the beach, and he's picking up one at a time, throwing them into the sea. An old man comes past and says, "But you know, you're never going to save these." He says, "It's fine as long as it's just one at a time." And that is our vision, but our vision is to be able to save one baby at a time for many years to come still.
My name is Sandra Nienaber. I am an Amway business owner here in South Africa.
My name is Esther Marie, also Amway business owner for the last 15 years, and me and my husband are based here in Pretoria.
Because charity has been close to my heart for almost 3 decades, where we're involved in our personal capacity, I realize how hard it is for people or charities to be able to have the financial means to help other people. And learning about the AmGive program and over a lot of countries, not only in South Africa, I am so grateful for that money that becomes available. If you can change one life, you make a huge difference to a little child.
Yeah, this is a story that really changed our family's life. My eldest son, Paul Hendrik, and his wife, Marichay, they went to a fundraising event, and they were just sitting next to a lady, and the lady said, "But they've got 2 little babies that need a place of safety." And when they showed the photo to Paul Hendrik and Marichay, they just looked at one another and they said, "This is our baby."
We give support to all the care homes by supplying them with nappies, milk.
They help with medical bills, they help with medicine. So it's more than just the support side, but every need that comes from taking in a baby. So they don't expect a parent to take a baby and be like, "Okay, now you're on your own." They help you for the entire process, for the entire time that child is with you.
We are not supported by government. We totally rely on donations. Our milk and nappies a month for the babies we have currently, and currently we have about 19 babies in our care, costs us 10 to 12,000 Rand a month. And obviously the more babies we have, the more it costs us.
At the moment, abandoned babies and children that's suffering is a huge problem in South Africa. So, and I know the excellent work that Starfish does. So when I heard about that, I just knew that we had to nominate them.
So I'm forever grateful for this opportunity, and I know with Janice, with Starfish, that money will be used in our local community to help many babies.
To me, it's just a little baby that needs a home. That's all they need. They just want love. If you see the kids as well, I mean, they come in there. The little babies, they don't know you. You don't know them. You don't know anything about them. They just need love. They just want a bottle. They just want milk. They just want cuddles, a dry nappy.
We met our daughter through Starfish, and I don't think there's anything more important in this world except for my wife than my daughter.
There's really no words to describe how much they have changed our lives. Even just for the community in the area, I think there's many projects that people don't know about behind the scenes. But for me personally, it has made my family whole.
The money that they received from AmGive really changed so many things. The more funds available, the more babies will benefit by this organization.
When you get home and all you see is a little smiling little face or like crawling towards you, that's like that's like enough, you know. Don't worry about the not sleeping. It's the little things that they do, that little smile, or that excitement they get when they see you, those little things. I like that.
I'm forever grateful that AmGive chose Starfish as their charity, and the story is busy unfolding.